Guys, I wanted to show you these sunglasses that the company sent me to try out. I've been loving this style to have. Like, we're pretty active as a family. We do bike a lot in the springtime and then go hiking. My son is now playing baseball, so that's also why I got these. So he is 9 and he is able to wear them pretty nicely. Like, he has a small face even. So they do take up a good amount, but he loves them. So he's definitely wearing these to baseball as like a 9-year-old. But then I actually have a pretty big head and they fit me pretty good as well. So I just want, if you're thinking about the fit and the size, I wouldn't hesitate to buy these for a kid, but maybe like 9, 10 up, and they're going to be oversized. And then also if you have like a bigger face like I do, it fits, like, because they're just like, that's the style and they are made to fit pretty big. So I love that they're gonna like take up so much space. The sun's not gonna come in. They block out the UVA and the UVB, which is really important. I have light eyes and I cannot have I can't have the sun just like in my eyes like that for too long. So I love that it takes that all out. It has this like really soft rubber, which is nice that that's going to go against your ear. And then this is also, it's plastic, but it's soft feeling. It doesn't feel heavy. I think about those things. I don't like sunglasses to be heavy at all on me. So it also comes, this is so cool. So my husband has to wear glasses all the time. So I was telling him that he needs to get a pair of these because he plays tennis too. So you could put in a prescription lens in here and then go ahead and place them in there. So I think that's so cool. I've never seen this. Maybe that's a thing, but I've never seen it. So I don't wear glasses all the time like my husband does. So I told him, like, this is perfect. Or if you have a kid that's playing a sport, this is perfect for that. So you wouldn't even know that I have it in there, and it doesn't really like affect anything. Like, it doesn't feel weird or anything. So if you do need to wear a prescription, that's a really good feature. It also has the ropes that you could hang. My son has them in his baseball bag right now, actually. And then it comes with the case and a cleaner. So if you're looking for like a nice affordable pair of glasses, like, I don't want to spend $150 on a pair of sunglasses for my son. I just don't. I don't even like to spend that much on myself because, I'm afraid something's going to happen to them. So I love that this is an affordable option that blocks out the UVA and UVB and looks cool and is definitely going to do what it's supposed to. Definitely recommend these.